Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 2. This is Section 3.4, Problem 2. It says multiply the given numbers, 2.38 times 0.4. So if you can use a calculator to multiply this, just to enter it and see what you get. But if you cannot use a calculator to do this multiplication, I prefer to write it in the vertical format, like this, 2.38 times 0.4. I don't write the 0.4 all the time. You can just write 0.4. So to multiply this, what you want to do is at first just ignore the decimals. Multiply 238 times 4. No decimals, just look at the numbers, do the multiplication. So 4 times 8 is 32. Write the 2, carry the 3. Next we'll do 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 more is 5. Or 15. I should say, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 more is 9. So now, what you have to do is count how many decimals, how many places after the decimal you have in your question. So if I count 1, 2, 3, there are 3 places after the decimal in the question. So now what I have to do is have the same number of places after the decimal in the answer. So starting from the end, 1, 2, 3 places after the decimal, you would write 0.952, which if you prefer can also be written 0.952. That's the same, like that.